it's Mythbusters, right? So let's see the first myth there on the screen. Only students from top academic backgrounds succeed in UK universities. What do you say about this?
That's a myth.
That's a myth. How?
That's a myth. I think what the theme of this conversation has been around employability. It's been about return on investment, and like I mentioned, you don't need to be an Ivy League student or a Russell Group student. What employers are looking for is the key skills. So if your university, like BCU, is giving you those skills readily, then when you apply for a job, we don't just look at where you've studied. We look, okay, what have you studied? And how have you studied? What skills have you gained?
Let's see this myth that's universities outside London provide fewer career opportunities. So everything is revolving around career and employability. So what do you think? Is it true because of London being London, or I want you to just enlighten us?
Yeah. I would say again, that's another myth. I think it's important for parents and students to do a lot of research and speak to universities. I think maybe perhaps it's due to the fact that, you know, as a capital city, a lot of organisations, MNCs will be in London. But these companies are now understanding about diversification of where they need to be. You know, recently one of my friends' younger sister got a job with a multinational company. They've got a place in London, but she's now working in Bolton, for example. So not in London, in Bolton. So there's lots of opportunities for students. And also, getting from Birmingham to London is less than an hour. You know, hopefully once the new project finishes. So it's a myth. I think there are lots of opportunities out there in different areas as well. You know, the NHS is all around the UK. The BBC, you know, we have courses in arts and, you know, design and media, whereby there's lots of different places to work across the UK.
Okay, so that's a myth. Then third, let's see. Employers only care about the university ranking. They don't look at how much skills you have developed, and then they just see, that's a myth. That's myth that's around. I don't know whether it's myth or fact, but they just see where you are coming from, which university you studied, and then they just look at the ranking is what people think. So is it true or not?
From my experience, I think it's a myth. I think what employers, when we speak to employers, you know, what they want is to ensure that once an applicant or a student applies for a job and they come into their businesses, they are ready. You know, they can just hit the ground running, right? So it's the skills that they care about. And what we need to do, and what we do at BCU, is ensuring that we're teasing those skills throughout the career, throughout the education for the student.
So let's go to the last one. That would be, again, the popular topic. AI will replace many graduate jobs, making degrees less valuable. So what do you think about this?
I think what we've seen is AI is proven to be efficient in certain areas, but I would say that this is a myth. I think there are some jobs that AI will definitely replace. However, there are some jobs AI will never replace. And there are some jobs in the middle where it has to be a collaboration and integration of AI and human to complete that job. So I don't think AI will replace all graduate jobs, or, you know, I think there will be some. My advice really to students, start to embed AI and learn AI in what you're doing right now, because it makes it more efficient.